Hello, mathematicians. It is Monday, so you know what time it is. It is time for Poster Method. The teaching point today is mathematicians find multiple ways to solve problems by working together to discuss, present their solutions, and critique the reasoning of their peers. This is Poster Method number 21. Let's get into it. As you know, when we're doing Poster Method, we always want to have solve in mind. When we're keeping solve in mind, we are studying the problem and organizing the facts. We're lining up a plan, verifying our plan with action. We're also making certain that we clearly label any units if necessary. We examine our work by checking it, either using inverse operation or just using reasonable thinking. And then lastly, but not least at all, we want to explain our thinking by using mathematical language. You want to make certain that you're using or you're considering some problem-solving strategies. So you can make a model, you can write an equation, you can draw a picture, use a tape diagram or bar model, work backward, or use a tool. Okay, you can find multiple ways to solve the problem. All right, so let's look at part A of our problem. Mark, Amanda, and Jacob are putting a 100-piece jigsaw puzzle together. Mark places 1/4 of the pieces into the puzzle. Amanda places 1/5 of the pieces into the puzzle. Jacob places the remaining pieces into the puzzle. Jacob tells Mark and Amanda exactly how many pieces he put into the puzzle. How many pieces does Jacob put into the jigsaw puzzle? Okay, let's think. Let's go to part B, stepping up the rigor. If each puzzle piece cost 1 2/5 how much did the whole puzzle cost? Wow, we have a lot of information here. So what we want to stop this, we want to pause this video, and we want to think, what past concepts do I already know that will help me to solve this problem? So I want you to jot that down in your notebook, and then I want you to press play afterwards. After you've done that, what I want for you to do is I want you to use your time breakdown list. Take 8 minutes to solve the problem independently. Then take 3 minutes to discuss with a partner on Google Classroom. Then take another 2 minutes to discuss with more peers in Google Classroom. You can do this by commenting in the actual lesson or under the actual instructions and invite friends to have a discussion with. I want you to then post your mathematical answer using mathematical language into the question or the response section of the actual assignment. So we're doing something a little bit different this week. So last week I had you post your picture of your work, and then I had your response. So I just want you to respond, do the work in your notebook, and then I want you to respond using complete sentences. After you've done that, I want you to give feedback to one person in your classroom. If there's nothing, if you're the first to post, I want you to wait till the later in the day to come back to it. Just give one person some feedback on their response, okay? Be sure to use the group discussion prompts in order to make certain that you are giving, you're staying on task with your response and you're giving critical feedback based on what the question is asking. I also want you to make certain that you are self-assessing your work. Think about what you did well and what's something that you need to continue to work on. Make certain that you're really reflecting and thinking mathematically and not thinking of it very generically. So these are the discussion prompts that you want to make certain you're using. Also make certain you're referring to this checklist here. You can always put the screen on pause so you can refer to it when you're having your discussion in your groups. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to myself or your teacher. We'll be happy to assist you. Have fun.